Are you ready for Thanksgiving? I'm almost ready for Thanksgiving. We're going to try to cook a turkey in this, what is this? Butterball oil-free electric roaster. And it says here on top, the safe way to deep fry a turkey. But does it taste as good as a deep fried turkey? Because I love deep fried turkey. If this truly tastes like a deep fried turkey without using gallons of oil, I will be super excited. What do you think? Do you think it'll work right? Well, let's get into it. On the side of the box, it says it's radiant heat cooking, so the heating element is on the bottom. It radiates up, seals the turkey to lock in juices and flavor. Here's more of a description: double wall construction, thermostat control, tempered glass lid, roasting basket, removable drip pan for easy cleaning, basket, lifting hook, wood chip box for great smokehouse flavor. And then on the top, even though it's a turkey roaster, it does say the safe way to deep fry a turkey. So they really are trying to get that deep fried taste. So let's see if we get it. And even when you look online, this is when I ordered it. It's listed as an oil-free electric turkey fryer and roaster. So they really do play up the turkey fryer, oil-free fryer aspect of it. So let's see if we get a deep fried taste from this electric Butterball Masterbuilt roaster. And there's a newer model of this available as well. Let's see what's in the box. It looks like an instruction packet here. I'm going to take this part. There's the glass top. Put that on the side. Styrofoam bits. And I'm going to take, this was in the center of the cooking pot. So there's a basket for the fryer. It looks like it'll take a little work to get the rest of that out. And, oops, it's hard to get out of the box. There we go. There's the fryer itself. Take a look in there. And then we have to attach the legs. It comes with 3 legs. And when I say we have to attach it, I mean he has to attach it. My dear, sweet, loving husband will attach the legs, and then we'll hook it up. All right, let's get to it. So in this little box, there's a thermometer. Oops, this is a little drip pan. Catch any oil that drips out. This is the smoker box. You can put some wood chips in there so you can make a smoke fried turkey. Handles. Some other doodads. The power cord looks like it's in there. And then it has a pack of screws, Phillips head screws, and hex nuts to attach the rest of the stuff. And then you attach the legs, Phillips head screwdriver. There are 3 legs. That looks like it goes on pretty easily. And now he's attaching the drip cup holder, which is this contraption right here, to the legs. And you'll see this spout right here is where the extra oil will drip out of your turkey, and there's a pan that goes inside there. And you attach the handles. So the Butterball turkey roaster oilless fryer is hooked up. It's got a 4-foot cord. It's got to be used outside. There's the smoker box. I have some wood chips ready and the drip tray and the lid. Now we just need a turkey. And this is our turkey. It is a 12-pound bird. It is seasoned inside, outside, and underneath the skin. Of course, we removed the giblets from the neck was inside this cavity, and then the giblet bag was in the neck. It is fully thawed. I thawed it in the refrigerator and then rinsed it to make sure there were no ice particles in there. So it is good and ready to go. Although I am going to inject the breast with a little bit of marinade. And then I have my wood chips soaking. Then we'll be ready to go. There's my turkey and my marinade and injector. There we go. Just gonna slowly push it in and fill it full of flavor. We're gonna rub the whole outside of the turkey with oil as well, so the skin will get nice and crispy. And we've stuck a thermometer in the breast so we can keep an eye on the temperature while it's cooking. So this indicator light is off now, which means that this is ready. It's set to high and we're ready to drop our turkey in. Got the soaked wood chips in the smoker box. We'll stick it in there. There we go. Take the lid off. Oh. All right, our bird is in. The roaster instructions say it takes about 10 minutes per pound. This is a 12-pound turkey, so it'll take about 2 hours for this to be done. We can see the temperature gauge through the lid. So now we wait. While the turkey is out there in that electric roaster fryer, it's really a roaster. They bill it as an oilless turkey fryer when you read about it online. We'll see if it gives you fried turkey taste. And some of the other promotional materials. They have the oil-free electric turkey fryer, Butterball oil-free electric turkey fryer by Masterbuilt, and it goes on to give you, a description and some pictures. But it's really an electric roaster. Let's, I rubbed it with oil, which it does not say to do that in the directions. But when you read the reviews online, a lot of the people that have already used it recommend rubbing the outside of your turkey with some oil. And I just use canola oil. You can use safflower oil. I wouldn't use something like canola oil. Like olive oil that has a low smoke point, because that can burn quicker than your turkey will cook. So, opt for oils with a higher smoke point, like canola or safflower or peanut oil if you like. But, it was maybe about a quarter cup of oil rubbed around. Pat your turkey mostly dry and then rub it all around with oil. In the smoker box, because that's just what I have, and I love applewood chips to use, smoke almost anything, poultry or pork, beef. I think applewood is really delicious. You can use hickory, mesquite if you want to. Mesquite is a kind of strong smoke flavor. Apple, I think, is a nice mild smoke, which I prefer. And the booklet that comes with it recommends you cook your turkey to between 165 and 170 degrees when you take the temperature of the turkey in the breast. And you can take a look at the cleaning and storage instructions, storage and maintenance instructions. It says, Masterbuilt recommends cleaning the unit prior to use, which we did. Turn off, after use, turn the appliance off, unplug it, and let it cool before cleaning and storing. Remove the drip cup and rinse thoroughly. Wash it with mild detergent. Clean the lid, cooking rack, turkey stand, and basket with a damp cloth or sponge using a mild detergent. Rinse and dry thoroughly. These parts may also be cleaned in the dishwasher. Clean the outer shell, inner lining, cord, and control panel with a damp cloth or sponge using a mild detergent. Dry thoroughly. Never put these parts in a dishwasher or submerge in water. Always make sure the unit is unplugged and cool to the touch before cleaning and storing. The instructions come in English as well as Spanish. All right, we can take the temperature. It is 167 in the breast. Looks good. Our turkey is done. We're going to let it rest. And then we're going to carve it up. Looks good. Doesn't quite look like a fried turkey, but we'll see how it tastes. The wings look like they're kind of give you that fried turkey look. The breast does not. And here we have it, folks. Our fried. Is it fried? I don't know. Let's see if it tastes like it's fried. It looks like it's nicely done in that electric roaster. Excuse me. Let's get there in the joint. Oops. There we go. Looks good. Cut a piece of this breast off. Now, I'm not getting that crispy, crackly sound from the skin that you would normally get. But let's give it a taste. It looks juicy. Here, let's give you. Can you get a close up? How's it look? Looks juicy.
Looks good.
Let's taste it. Okay. So, it's really tasty. It's not as good as fried. Not as good as a true fried, deep fried turkey, but better than any oven roasted turkey I've ever had. So, if I were grading it, I would give it a B. It's definitely less messy. You know, you don't have to worry about cleaning up gallons of oil, but you don't get that real crispiness to the skin and that same deep fried taste, but it really is delicious. So, I mean, I might miss a deep fried turkey, but I'd be pretty happy with this. And it's got a little bit of that smoky taste, not a heavy smoke flavor, but kind of a lightly smoked, just adds a little bit to it, doesn't overwhelm it. It's really very tasty. So, yeah, I would give it a B. So, not really fried, but it is oilless, easy, and tasty. Hope you like the video. Hope you subscribe for more product demonstrations, recipes. Come on back. We'd love to see you. Have a delicious day.